You want to acknowledge everyone first or address everyone?
Okay. Hi, good evening to each and everyone. Sa lahat po ng mga invited guests, but I'm sure meron mga uninvited dito. But anyway, from all of us, we would like to say thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you for spending time and joining us tonight sa launch po namin ng isang movie na amin pong ipinagmamalaki. At yan po ang movie na Uninvited. And I guess we're very lucky na we are part of the 50th or golden anniversary of Metro Manila Film Festival. At malaking karangalan ko po ang makasama ang mga artistang kasama ko po dito. Karangalan ko pong malaki sa akin pong career. And to be directed also by none other, first time, Direct Dan Villegas. Directed by, thank you. And again, sa lahat po, from our friends from the media and our personal friends, sa inyo pong lahat, maraming salamat. Please enjoy the evening.
Yes!
Thank you.
Ano po natin, star for all seasons, Miss Vilma Santos.
We feel so lucky tonight.
Of course!
Always. Okay, well, you guys are in for a treat. I know you guys wished para sa inyong lucky star na mangyari ito, di ba? But before we dish out those questions, those burning questions to our powerful cast, sa mga hindi po nakapanood, I think mga 0.5% lang yan.
Ako gusto ko rin
Ulitin. Yes. Para maramdaman natin kung ano nga ba yung pakiramdam ng pelikulang ito. Ladies and gentlemen, we invite you to look at our screens right now and watch this.
Turning 55 with all of you has been a pleasure. I have lived longer than my father and my grandfather, and not a single trace of sickness in my mind. Kaya hindi lang ito basta party, hindi lang ito basta celebration. Tonight, we commemorate the day I define my own destiny.
Putang ina mo. Mana sa akin ang anak ko. Si Nicole? Naisip ko nga kung tatagong ikatuwa eh. At least hindi siya nagmano sa tatay niya.
Feeling ko magiging okay kapag wala ka na dito. Tuloy mo. Hindi ko talaga hinandan mo. Kaya nung muli lagi mag-away.
You haven't seen your side yet. I hate everything that he does. I love his fucking money.
You're hot tonight. Para sa akin din.
fucking privilege.
Nice. Wow. That's again December 25th. Okay, please watch this movie. Yung movie talaga, yung trailer na to, nakaka talaga. And I think I would love to start with that, no? Start our Q&A. Knowing that this film is gonna be part among 10 films sa pasok sa MMFF, especially for the golden anniversary of MMFF, I would love to ask the cast, ano yung initial feeling nyo na pasok itong pelikula for this year's Metro Manila Film Festival? Nakaka-blank. Okay? Let's ask Gabby Padilla first. Gabby, can we have a mic? Okay.
Nakaka-proud. It's my first MMFF experience. I'm very, very happy to be here.
Nakaka-proud. Okay.
Proud talaga maging part ng
Oo.
MMFF.
How about Ron?
Ayun, gusto ko rin ituloy eh. Yun. I mean, sobrang blessed namin yung makasama kami sa Metro Manila.
Such an honor talaga. Ito, such an honor to be with, you talk about legends, Ketchup Eusebio.
Oo.
Talk about legends, Ketchup Eusebio. 55 years in the industry.
Guys,
Nauna pa sa
Nauna pa siya sa
Nakaka-excite.
Excite. Okay, good word right there. Chio.
Nakakakilig. Kilig. Tama. RK, ikaw. Nakaka-blank. Ang feeling.
Tama. Nakakainip kasi excited na kami mag-December 25 para may pakita sa inyo lahat ang pinaghirapan namin.
Kita na nakatikwatro ka pa dyan.
Certain kaya.
Hindi ko eh.
Ay, nako. And ito talaga natin. Kung uulitin niya. Sir Timso.
Anong feeling nakaka-blank? Sir Phil, yun ako.
Nakakataranta.
Kinabahan ako sa sarili ko. Muntik niyong sabihin, sir. Nakakataranta, just so you know.
Oo.
Okay. Kabahan mo ko din Okay, direct na.
Direct na, dahil sa'yo, nakaka-blank.
Nakaka-proud kasi super happy ako sa galing ng castle ko. For you, proud ako sa galing sa
Oh, nakaka-proud. So, direct, I would love to have a copy of your photo kanina. I think, pinakamaangas mo photo yan. Ang ganda. Okay, ito, I'm excited. Nadine.
Ano yung sasabihin niyo?
Nakaka-excite.
Okay.
Kasi sobrang exciting nung pag every time na MMFF, yung float, yung parade rather, and then yung mga mall tours, also the awards night. So nakaka-excite lang kasi ang daming ganap.
Daming ganap, for sure. Alright, thank you. Sir Aga.
Nakaka-blank.
I'm just happy, happiest to be part of this film. So I want to thank the whole cast, everyone, the producers, Mentor, Roger K, Direct Dan, V, Nadine, lahat ng cast, ang mga mababait na lalala sa tabi ko, sa kaliwa. Lahat kami dito. So, pinapahaba ko na rin sa dito. Nakaka-excite naman ako. Nakaka-excite and parang hindi ko po makita yung full trailer. Excited na po ako talaga. Pagpakita mo natin.
Oh, okay. You have to stay sa huli. Actually, that's one of our big
Nakaka-grateful. Yeah, nakaka-grateful.
Nakaka-grateful.
Oh, that's a nice way to say it.
That's a word right now. We'll accept it, Sir Aga. And of course,
Ate V.
Ate V, with that iconic panyo. You can see it.
Sobrang tensyonado. But we're all grateful that we did this movie.
Well, we're so excited to watch it, especially for that big surprise later on. So, ladies and gentlemen, we invite you to stay until the end. Alright, maraming salamat.
Nakaka-tensyonado.
Oo.
Super. Nakaka-tense.
natin, nakakatawa, nakasama tayo dito. History in the making, no? So why don't we start our Q&A right now with our friends from the press. Starting off with Fernand de Guzman.
Wow. Congratulations, I'm here. Asan siya?
Fernand, magparamdam ka naman.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, can you raise your hand? Where
Here in
is
the
Fernand?
center.
Over. Okay, there. Hi, Sir Fernand.
Yes, good evening sa lahat ng cast na uninvited. Siyempre, ang tanong ko ay, kung nakaranas na ba kayo ang ma-experience na hindi kayo invited pero na-attend kayo sa isang party or events, at bakit? Ayun.
You'd love to address this question too?
To all the cast of the invited, sa lahat ng cast.
Lahat ng cast. Okay. Maybe anyone from the cast who has experienced that?
Hindi sila invited.
Hindi raw na-invite.
Pero umattend.
Pero gate crasher talaga.
Gate crasher kayo. Ganon.
Okay. Among our cast, may
Who wants to
naka-experience.
answer first? Yes, Sir
Parang
Adam.
wala pa yan. Parang hindi ako invited dumating ako. Parang hindi ba? Una-una, tamad talaga ako. So, manginibitahan ako, di ko dumadating talaga. But wala pa naman. Pero madami na ako nakita mga nag-gate crash talaga.
Medyo nakakahiya ka na invite. Hindi ka na-invite, tapos dumating.
Pero okay na naman. Parang pag nandun na wala ka naman magagawa. Basta masaya lang.
Oo.
Huwag lang manggugulo, di ba?
Huwag ka lang makukulo. Tama naman. Okay, thank you so much, Sir Fernand, for that question.
Are you happy? Isa lang ang sumagot eh.
Okay. May mga, ano ba?
Okay. With all honesty, hindi ko pa nasubukan talaga. Lahat ng pinuntahan kong cafe, I make sure na talaga, imbitado ako, invited ako. Okay. Nads?
Nads?
Nag-crush ka na ba?
Grabe naman yung baka may sikreto sila. No, but I guess, alam mo na yun, pag magkakaibigan kasi kayo, pag na-invite ka, or kahit hindi ka na-invite directly nung may party or nung may birthday, parang nagkakataon o mag-invite ka ng ibang friends mo, magsama ka ng maraming tao. So, minsan nasasama ako. Pero pagdating ko naman doon, uy, so happy that you're here. So, I don't know if that's considered, I mean, siguro, considered siya as gate crashing.
But
Pwede rin date-in ka or on the spot.
Mahiya naman yung gumawa ng party na, uy, ba't dito si Nadine Lustre? Ano ba to? So, dapat happy ka naman.
Yeah, wala pa namang gano'n.
Wala pa naman gano'n na.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sir
Thank you so
Fernand.
much, Sir Fernando Guzman.
Thank you. Okay, up next.
Next question will come from John Milo Severo of Philstar.com.
Hello, congrats agad. Ang blockbuster dito. So, ang question ko is for Direct Dan. Direct, how was the creative process of the film and paano ito nag-materialize?
Nagsimula ko, naging ko si Brian Lastre na MFF sa Mariana. Sa beses siya kami, tapos sabi niya, si Ate nga talaga ng pelikula. So nakailang meeting kami, kasi gusto ni Ate na bakit isang pelikula na isang araw lang yan. So, ayun, without spoiling too much, ayun, natapos na ako si Dodo, kasi Dodo also Kataya Killer for us. So, tayo nakuha niya yung tenor siya. Yung ganda ng script ba? So, ayun, kaya jamming ko ito. Kasi may nakita article na yung Mexican na. Yung article ng Mexican author. May article kasi na parang meron akong Mexican na mom na nasa mga 6 weeks na siya. Tapos yung daughter niya na na-kidnap. So, long story short, nag-ganti siya, hinanap niya yung mga kumuha sa alam niya tapos. So, yun yung kind of inano namin, pinuntahan namin Robin Doors. And then, ayun, so yung skirt na ganda, thankful ako na gusto ko ng buong cast dito. So, ayun, papilin na siya.
Thanks, Direct. Congrats.
Thank you for that question. Creative process. At saka, ganda. Parang nag-agree sa confidence nila. But then, thank you talaga. Okay, let's ask Jerry Olea. First question. Jerry.
Magandang gabi po. Ate Bing, Aga. 1992, Sinungaling Mong Puso. Napaka-memorable sa akin yung May December love affair ni Jason at ni Clara. After 2 years, ginawa nyo isang bituin kay Director Joey Reyesman. Bakit 3 dekada pa ang lumipas bago gumawa ulit kayo ng pelikula? Paano nabuo yung pagsasama ninyo?
Ba't mo pasa na ako sa akin? Agad to, hindi ko muna. Sige, okay. Jerry, after 30 years, the last movie we did was Sinungaling Mong Puso. Pero may ano ba yung between?
After 2 years, nag-isang between.
Nag-isang between. Pero matagal na rin. Siguro mga 25 years ago na rin yun.
1994, 30 years ago.
Oh my God.
So, 20 years old ako. 30.
Yeah. So, ano yun? Bakit dito? Kasi nung kinonceptualize yung istorya nito, of course, alam namin na hindi madali yung istorya ng Uninvited. Initially, ang tawag pa nga namin dito, Project Red. Pero nung nilayout na nila yung istorya, hindi talaga madali at talagang importante yung mga characters doon sa movie para maging epektibo. Nung nabuo na ito, nag-usap na kami nila direct, ng team. Wala talagang ibang choice to play Gilly. Talagang kung hindi right away ang isang unang pangalan na ibinagsak. Totoo ha? Aga Mulak. That's why nung nadinig ko na tumawag sa akin si Aga, and then sinabi niya na, ano Vi? Totoo ba? Gagawin natin yung pelikula ito? Totoo ba? Gagawa tayo ng pelikula? Tapos sabi ko, Aga, tanggapin mo dahil kung hindi, isosoli ko na yung kandila bilang ninang yun ni Christine sa kasal. Sabi ko, pag hindi mo tinanggap to, babalik mo na yung kandila sa inyo ni Sherlyn. Kasi ninang nila ako sa kasal. Kaya tanggapin mo na to dahil gusto na kitang bakbakan. Yun yun, doon nag-umpisa yun. And now, ito na, tapos na yung pelikula namin.
Si Aga, kumusta namin pag-uusap niyo?
So how can you just say no? When the film was offered sa akin, all I had to do was call her first, and then sabi nga ng Project Kate sa akin sa table, Sir, tatawagan niyo, bakit? Bakit hindi? Nakakausap ko siya parati. I mean, we're good friends, so I called her up and I just asked her the question, gagawin mo ba to? Ikaw ba talaga? Tuloy ba talaga to? Sabi niya, yes. Sabi niya, yung ito, gawin mo to, ganyan-ganyan. Well, hindi niya naman kailangan magsalita pa, Para I was just waiting for this time. So I'm just happy. Again, like what I mentioned a while back, I'm just the happiest to have done this film and to have done it again with Ms. Vilma Santos. It's just, kumbaga, it comes in threes, diba? So this is her third film. I'm okay. Done now sa buhay. And proud ako sa dalawang pelikula na ginawa namin. Ito, sobra. Mag-graphics. At hindi ko lang excited lang po ako. Salamat sa pag-apoy sa akin sa pelikula natin.
And if I may add, daragdag ko lang, yung talagang napa-excite ako na talagang sabi ko, gawin na, mag-shooting na. When I learned also na umuo si Nadine. Yeah. In all sincerity, Nadine, you know that. Nung malaman ko rin na okay si Aga, and then umuo si Nadine, parang sinabi ko, shooting na mukha. So, malaking bagay sa akin yun na talagang nakasama ko si Aga and si Nadine. And then, while preparing for the shoot, nalaman ko pa kung gaano katibigat yung mga artistang makakasama namin sa movie. So, the whole time I was doing the movie, kahit na I was feeling bad, nagkakasakit na ako, tuloy pa rin. Kasi na-inspire at na-inlove ako sa Uninvited.
Salamat.
Totoo yun, ganun sinabi nga sa akin kasama si Nadine. Sabi ko si Nadine, nililate ko siya. Sabi, hindi, anak ko siya. Sa'yo, buti naman. Yun lang, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Jerry. Thank you very much.
Safe to say, yung kandila na kayo sa film pa.
Hindi na isole.
Hindi na isasole. Oo. But when actually Miss Vilma was telling everyone that a powerful cast, I looked at Gio and RK over there. Grabe yung ngiti nila talaga. We really agree. And also, let me just remind everyone that this film happens in just one night. Ang galing. Ang galing. So, we're so excited for that, especially with all the scenes na mangyayari doon. Before that, would love to acknowledge
The presence
yes,
of Secretary Ralph Rector.
who's right there, and Ryan. Hi.
Hi.
Just here. Thank you for attending the ball. Okay, now let's go to PMPC and ask Jimmy Escala.
Yes, congratulations, Ate V. Ate V, ito po ako. Ate V, from your number 1 filman yan. Ate V, tanong ko po, bakit pinili mo ang uninvited over doon sa tatlong movie mo yan? Pang MMF din, Niligwak.
Sorry, can you repeat? What?
Okay. Ano kasi, nag-meeting naman ako doon kasi, ang nangyari lang kasi, parang nagkaroon ng problema sa character na gagampanan ko. Yun lang yun. And then inayos naman. But I will be honest, while meeting with the movie, I'll say it with Ispantaho, I was meeting also with sila Direct Dan regarding this movie Uninvited. But you know, the last thing kasi that I heard while they were preparing for the movie, because of course excited din ako to be with Judy Ann. You get me? I love Judy Ann. It's just, habang inaayos yun, and I will be honest, nalaman ko na lamang po na sinubmit yung script sa first 5 para sa MMFF. But unfortunately, parang hindi napasok. Hindi napasok sa first 5. So it was also Attorney Georgie who told me, go ahead and do the one of Dan, Direk Dan Villegas, because he is also my son. Sabi ni Direk Georgie, do it, and I promise you, I will watch that movie. So, doon po nang galing lahat yun.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Jimmy.
Kay Sir Brian, kung hindi kaya si Ate V ang bida sa Uninvited, itutuloy mo pa rin kaya pagawan mo?
Walang uninvited kung hindi na kay Wilma Santos dahil storya niya po ito. Actually, sa kanya po nanggaling yung storya. We've been trying to pitch, of course, bilang bago po producer, pangarap mo siyempre isang Wilma Santos. Ilang beses po kami nag-pitch. Sabi ko sa kanya, tigilan lang natin ito. Anong gusto mong gawin? Sabihin mo sa amin. And then, marami po siyang binigay na parang peg. Ano po? Ito yung gusto kong ma-experience. Kasi, just to be honest, hindi naman po sa pag-ano. Siguro naman, ang pangalang Vilma Santos is already bigger to any movie that we can actually create. So, nagkaroon ng magandang pagkakataon po. Napaupo namin sila Direk Dan and the entire team. Kagawa ng storya. Kung naalala niyo po, talagang ang pelikula po na sinabit namin, Bilingan. We never expected that we will be able to do Uninvited. And then yun po. So talagang wala pong Uninvited dahil si Ate B po ang nagbigay ng istorya sa amin. Kaya po lang po ang Uninvited.
Jimmy, if I may add, para alam nyo lang, kasi po yung Uninvited, ito po yung dream story ko talaga. Marami pong, titignan niyo po yung mga interviews ko nung araw, may mga interviews po ako na sinabi, V, kung magdidirect ka, ano yung gusto mong gawin? Matagal ko na po sinasabi to na gusto mong gumawa ng isang pelikula na nangyari lamang ng 24 hours. Na mag-uumpisa siya maganda, matatapos siya mga dilapidated na siya. Yun ang gusto ko. Hindi ko alam yung gitna. Paano mangyayari yun? Hindi. Paano mangyayari? Sila direct at si direct. Hindi ko naman sinabi yun. Hindi.
48 hours, 48 hours, 48.
Basta sila direct ang naglagay ng istorya sa gitna hanggang nabuo yung uninvited. Binuo nila yung story para dun sa dream ko na nag-umpisa siya ng maganda. Ganon. Yun. Hindi may big mouth. Yan lang yun.
Bigla nag-edit ka, no? Bigla reverse.
Thank you. Gusto na niya, ito gusto ko sa umpisa at sa katadulo. Ikaw na bahala sa gitna.
Dilapidated dapat.
Oo.
Yung specific
Well, you know,
instruction ni Ate V.
At least we know what Ate V wants, diba? And
she got it.
She got it, for sure. Okay.
Next question will come from Jessica Ann Evangelista of Inquirer.
Good evening po and congratulations. My first question po would be for Miss Nadine. Miss Nadine, trending po yung trailer niyo. So I would just like to ask, can you share how similar or different are you with your character, Nicole? And the scene po with Sir Aga, was that awkward to shoot? Knowing po yung batuhan niyo ng lines is parang may malice from Sir Aga's side po.
Oh, okay. Talking about that certain scene, that teaser that we saw a while ago. Ladies first?
I guess I would start with the similarities. Medyo mahirap kasi sobrang polar opposites kami ni Nicole. So I think si Nicole kasi parang sobrang extreme siya na parang mayaman. Tapos, alam mo yun, lahat ng vices ginagawa niya. And then in a way parang may hatred siya towards her dad. And kung ano man yung nangyayari dun sa mundo niya. Ako naman, chill lang naman ako. I'm okay with everything. Also, my relationship with my dad is not exactly the same. Pero ang similarity namin siguro ni Nicole, I would say, is parehas kaming palaban. And that scene actually was really funny kasi every time after ng eksena, naalala ko merong mga adlibs si Kuya Aga na, kasi paglabas ko ng pintuan after the scene, tawa ako ng tawa. I don't know if it's gonna be in the scene or in the film, pero iba yung pakiramdam na maka-eksena ko si Kuya Aga. Medyo, hindi naman siya awkward. Parang I think if ever, if anything, mas natuwa ako na itawid namin yung eksena ng gano'n. Pero I would say na medyo, you know, when you watch the trailer, parang medyo triggering siya in a way. I guess nakakatawa lang kasi knowing Kuya Aga, even in a short while, sobrang layo din ng personality niya kay Gilly. Thank you.
Wow. Thank you, Nadine.